This is a leg press with a Swiss ball. So you're gonna get a band, hold onto it nice and strong with your hands, put that around your ankle and toes, making sure that when you put it on, that you're going around your toes a little bit and it's nice and flat. Then your heels, with your heels, you're gonna hold onto the ball, roll that ball, there it is, hold onto it. And then as you press, keep those hands nice and steady. Do not let the hands move, and you're gonna straighten the legs all the way, squeeze through the thighs, and then point your toes. So toes up towards you, roll the ball in, bringing that in, and then press out. That's it, press, squeeze the quad, then point the toes. We're gonna make sure that as you roll in, that you keep that band around the knees. So you can always widen, you got it. You can always let the knees bend. You can always widen your arms a little bit if they're rubbing up against your legs. That's it. And then press and toes. Good. So we can get some calf activity and leg press activity. You're going to do 2 sets of 10, 2 to 3 sets of 10. Nothing should be painful. Going to full range of motion, engaging your quads and your calves. Let us know if you have questions.